everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I'm doing a piece that is similar to another video that I did called Inferno. This time I'm doing it on a square canvas and my paints are just a little bit thicker because I really want the colors to pop on the black background that I'm doing. So I'm using oranges, reds, whites, and a little bit of like a yellow gold that I mixed together. And it's actually a two concept piece. So you'll see this in two parts, in two videos. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see the next one. The first one I'm gonna do is a blow inward, like I do with the side design. The next one I'm gonna do will be a center puddle and like a Dutch pour, a blowout. So I am very excited for these pieces. I hope the colors really show up bright on the canvas. Let's get started. Let's paint. All right, how is everyone doing? This is another commission. It is a set of two, so there'll be another video with the opposite of what I'm doing now, basically. So what they wanted was similar to Inferno, it was Linda, similar to Inferno where I did two lines this way and blew into the center. On the next canvas, they want the blowout from the center. So I think it's gonna be good. I was worried about my Amsterdam white in another video that I did. It didn't react the same way, but it was my consistency. It was a little bit thin, and I used it with the same brand paints for the most part, and that didn't give me the cells that I normally get. So when I'm doing these paintings and I want a good cell reaction, I use Amsterdam with Creative Inspirations, and it's either a mixture of Creative Inspirations, like I have here, Creative Inspirations Gold and Amsterdam Azo Yellow mixed together, or I do, you know, half orange or whatever percentage orange of Creative Inspirations and orange from Amsterdam. The reason I'm doing that is because I get better coverage. I'm using just water, so I get better binders from the Amsterdam to hold the paint together so it doesn't crack or break, but I get the reaction from mixing the Amsterdam with the Creative Inspiration. So I was a little baffled on that one, but I do want to play around as well with opaque, semi-opaque, semi-transparent, and transparent colors and see if there's any trends that way. I know that for Amsterdam, opaque colors tend to give more cells, and when they're layered with more transparent colors, which are lighter, the reaction kind of happens like this. But I want to play around with the middle area. But enough talking for now. I am going to lay down my black base and then I'll get started. I'm gonna set my black aside for now, and I am gonna start with the red next to the black. That gives a really pretty color. The last time I did this, I did it on, I think, a 16 by 20. I'll be interested to see how it works on the 20 by 20. Okay, and then normally when I blow, those colors will end up meeting each other. I'm gonna come in with the yellow next. I did thicken up my paints just a little bit for this one because I wanted to see if the cells would hold any better or if they wouldn't hold. Ooh, I had a clump there. I just mixed some more orange, so. Okay, all right, got this part. Now, I've said this before, but yellow and black sometimes make green. So you just want to keep that in mind when you're pouring your colors. Ooh, this one's kind of thick. Okay, we'll see. I probably shouldn't experiment on the commission, but. Now I'm gonna come in basically over the yellow with the white. One more time. This side too. I've been wanting to do something kind of funky and just do a piece like this, but just leave it. Like maybe blow one corner, I don't know. These are the things that I think about in my garage. I mean my studio. All right. Be coming off the side over here. Okay, I'm gonna blow this out. Wow, is that beautiful. Wow, gorgeous. I was worried that I might get, you know, like a Halloween type feel, because I felt that way on Inferno, but then it felt like, ended up feeling like kind of like autumn. Fix that little part right there. You can always just touch your finger. It's just a little lump. My new apron. If y'all think I ramble now, you should have heard me on my Amazon, my first Amazon live. I was so nervous. Mixed Media Girl actually came in the live. It was so nice of her to do that. I was really appreciative. She came and told me hello. All right, y'all. That's my Charleston coming out in me. Stunning. I got my mojo back. I was so worried that I wouldn't get this beautiful lacing reaction. I'm gonna blow just a little bit. Know me, kind of like to drag things along a little bit, but I actually really like the hard lines of this. The only one that I don't want, I want that to be, there we go. I think I'm done with this. Oh, I hope they like it. And I hope it dries well because my paints are thicker. And I'm gonna leave the drips exactly as they are. Normally I'll go in and like try to brush my finger along them and smooth them out, but I think I I think I'm done. I think I like this one the way it is. Yeah, I like the drips going down the side. I think that's it. The only place that I may blow is that right there. All right, let me show you. I don't know why this is so visually appealing to me, but it is. And I think my theory was right. So there's nothing wrong with the ARTISTRY. I was worried I got it from a different company or... No, it's the reaction of my paints. Silly me, I'm the one that tells you that all the time. How beautiful is this? And look at that on the sides. But see, that's what I'm saying. I'm just gonna leave the drips just like that. I'll tell you, my favorite part is right there. Stunning. Well, I hope Linda likes it. And I'm gonna get started on the other one. I'll show you the dried result. Yes, yes, yes. This is one of the prettiest pieces. I think this one came out better than the original Inferno that I did. I love the colors here. And again, this right here reminds me of a monarch butterfly. Absolutely stunning. And if you can see, you can't see as much of the canvas, and that's because my paints were thicker. It's a smoother layer there. I love it. I love the way the petals come out in it. I'm really, really happy with it. And I have already showed it to Miss Linda, and she loved it. And I'm very excited. Yes, look at those bright colors. I thought I'd lost my mojo. All right. So I'm going to do the other video as well, the one where I do it in the center and blow it out, and then I will show you both of them in that video. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.